2021 Chevrolet Suburban Premier model. Just going to do a quick fly through on this one. Give you a view of the parking assist in the front, and there's one in the rear too. This one has the 22-inch upgraded black gloss wheels. This is a shadow gray metallic. Last time I did a video, we sold the vehicle in less than 24 hours. There's a good view of the quad tips in the rear. This one does have the 5.3 without auto stop. Let's go inside. We're at the back. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Show you inside. There's your headphones for your rear entertainment. Premiers have powered seats that lay down, power fold. And you can also tumble the seats from back here. I'll go ahead and do that. For the second row, now on those you'll have to put those back up manually. Go ahead and go in the back, show you the room. For the third row, you do have ample room back here. Charging ports. These seats can be adjusted here, and that can lay it down. There's also a button right there that you can push, and it will do the work for you. There you go. Easy access to the back. There's another view of that rear entertainment. These big screens, over 12 inches of diagonal. There's your inputs for them right there. Outboard seats are heated on the Premier. And then your climate system. We'll go up to the front. Of course, power seat. Your memory seating as well. One push to roll the windows down. This folds your mirror in. And then just for the power mirrors, power locks, parking brake, lane departure warning, your parking sensor on button, stability track off button, hill descent control, and your button that turns the power system on for your power cord. Transfer case below. It's a 2-speed transfer case. You have a driving mode here. That's your instrumentation lights, make them dimmer. Leave it in automatic. Everything will come on automatically for your grow headlights. There's your wiper controls right there. Your forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, cruise control. Your driver information center controls. This is for your Bluetooth here. And your driver information controls here. That simply controls what you see up on the screen. Shows you a variety of different things on there. Over to the right has your parking, reverse, neutral, drive. The park is a button, reverse is a trigger, so is the drive. Neutral is a button, and then you have your range selector where you can go in and push what gear you want to be in. You can see that going up and down, L4, and so on, all the way up to 10. That just limits how high the transmission shifts to. So you gotta push it back in park. There's your 10.2-inch screen. Shows you all the features this model actually has. You can move the icons around. You can access the rear media functions up here as well for parental controls. Down below here are your button for your power, for your radio, and your volumes on one piece. It's also on the back of the steering wheel, which is behind here, and your channels are here. and then back simply goes back to the screen before. That's all it does. This little check mark button simply is a selection. It's highlights, and you hit check mark, and that'll go to the option you want to see. If you want to save a channel, you just hold down this and it saves. Nothing to it. There's your dual climate control, all your HVAC controls, your rear climate lock. This one does have heated and ventilated front driver and passenger seat. More chargers down there. More chargers in there as well. I'll go up to the top here. That's your OnStar system here. And your power sunroof controls. That's for your shade. That's to tilt the sunroof only. This is where you can customize how high your rear liftgate goes. Best thing to do is go to 3/4, and that allow you to customize and set the height of it. These are your tumble second row seats, so you don't have to reach back there and help the other people get out. That just turns the lights off when you have the doors open, and your home link system. Thank you for watching. I will have the sticker on this vehicle on the next screen. Go to buywithbenny.com to lock in this deal on this Suburban while we have it. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.